Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in bright white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black Jeep badging, dark lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5618A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.